Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Pretendo Hub error code 022-2482. The error reads, "An error has occurred. Please try again later. If the problem persists, please make a note of the error code and visit support.nintendo.com." Before we proceed, I want to let you know that this is my AI avatar and some of the visuals in the video are also generated using AI. However, all the information shared has been manually researched by me. As per our research, the error comes when users try to use the check-in button in Pokemon Shuffle or while trying to set up Pokemon Bank on the 3DS. Players have reported that the error appears when accessing these services with a Pretendo account. According to our research, this error happens because Pokemon Bank is not supported by Pretendo. The error also occurs if Nimbus is set to connect to Pretendo servers instead of Nintendo servers. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to check your Nimbus settings. If you have marked it to connect to Pretendo servers, then change it to Nintendo servers instead. Once done, try again and check for the error. If the error still comes, then try switching between Pretendo and Nintendo accounts. After switching, attempt to access the service again and see if the error still comes. At last, if the error still persists, then note that Pokemon Bank is not supported by Pretendo. In this case, you will need to use a Nintendo account to access Pokemon Bank. So switch to your Nintendo account and check if this resolves the error. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.